Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a nicely equipped 8.5 by 28 Alcom Stealth all aluminum trailer. This one has got our very popular Elite escape door with the removable fender, plus it is sitting on tandem torsion spread 6K axles for a lot of weight capacity in this trailer. Let's see how this Elite door works. I've already unlatched it. These are the latches right here. So I grab it with 2 fingers, pull back, let it go up by itself. Then you walk in here, you release one of these on each side. I give the fender a little tap. I lift it out with one hand, set it on the ground. Now you can pull your car in and get out of any car, and there's a step. If you look inside, you notice it's got our very popular TPO corn flooring. It's finished in 2-tone paint, silver and charcoal. We walk around front, it's got the beautiful chrome on the corner, cast corners up on top. This is a spot where you plug your cord in because it has a 110 power package. Walk around front here. This has got our 48-inch side door, very large side door, with our exclusive locking, holding the door open system so the door won't close with the east wind. You can look at those beautiful wheels on it. This is our cross vent system right here. I'll explain more about that inside. If we look at the back, it's got our rear spoiler with loading lights. It has got our premium tail lights on it with a built-in reverse light. When we open it up, this one has got our 6-foot folding. I'm gonna pull one open here so you can see it. Sorry for the it's sunny today, very nice. Six-foot folding ramps. You can get any low car in with this, nice and low. As you walk inside, once again you'll notice the TPO coin flooring. This has got our 110 package, so one switch here is for the rear spoiler lights, one is for the 110 lights, which we took out and replaced them with some upgraded 12-volt lighting. So we put in these 3 18-inch LED lights, plus it's got the LED dome lights, so it's nice and bright in here. As you can see, I turned them on. You can see how nice and bright they are. It's got front cabinets, upper and lower cabinets. Inside the cabinets, lots of space. The TPO flooring goes all the way into the cabinets. There's the plug for the outside and the power box. Plus it's got a battery, so the lights will work whenever you need to. And that battery charges when you're driving down the road. This one has 6 D-rings in it. 1 in front, or 2 in front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back. So if you have plenty of ways to strap down, because it's so large, you might put 2 side-by-sides or a car and a golf cart or whatever. You got a lot of room in here. As you also can see, it's finished in white walls, white ceiling. Very nice trailer. Loved the 6-foot ramps are really nice. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, you can reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. I also might mention that our service and parts department is open 7 days a week. Just give us a call. Thank you very much, and thanks for looking.